Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K30S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one, so let's tap on this button from the right and hi again. Now let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to the left to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here at the second place we have the mirror front camera option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.